Welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look at what are the append-only streams. The working or the execution of the streams is simple and same as the standard stream, but they both differ conceptually. So if you have completely understood what we did in the last video, then creating and implementing an append-only stream will be easy for you. I'm going to start executing similar SQL statements. So let's start by creating the raw table. And after that, I'm going to recreate the members underscore prod table, which is going to be our production table. Now I'm going to create an append only stream. And the syntax will look something like this. It's going to say create or replace stream. Give it a name like members underscore append underscore stream. Then we define on table, which is members underscore row. And after that, we are going to set the append only flag to true to describe that it is going to be an append only stream. And this is the only difference between the implementation of the standard stream and the append-only stream. Let's run this and your append-only stream will be created. Now let's quickly check the stream and it's empty as expected. Let's also check the offset and it should also be 0, and yeah, it's 0 because nothing has happened yet. Now let's go ahead and insert 5 rows into your raw table. 5 rows have been ingested. Now let's run a select query to view the data from the stream. Let's run it and you will see all the 5 rows inside your stream. And this is because append-only streams captures the newly ingested rows. Let's look at the offset again and it's supposed to be 0. Now I'm going to consume the data. For that, I'll execute an insert statement. Insert into members underscore prod. I'll pass the ID, name and fee. And I'm going to select these members from the stream. You know that append-only streams only captures the newly ingested or inserted data. Let me run this. So now 5 rows have been ingested. Now let's quickly have a look at the production table and you will see 5 rows inserted into it. Now let's check the stream and it is empty. As expected because we have consumed the data from the stream into the production table. Let's have a look at the offset now, and now it is going to give us a different value of time. Now I want to show you guys that the append only stream does not work in case of updates and deletes. Right, so let's quickly update the raw table. So I'm going to update a record where the ID is 4 and I'm going to set the fee to 10. So the data has been updated. Now let's have a look at the stream and you will see that it has not captured any data. This is because it can only capture the ingested or the inserted data. And same is the case for deletion, that if you delete a row from your raw table, then it will not be captured by the append-only stream and the stream will be empty. So that's how the append-only streams work and that's how they are different from the standard stream. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.